Hi, writers. Today is Monday, June 1st, and we're going to begin our opinion writing. Remember, we're writing our opinions of books that we have read. So today is Monday. We're going to use our read aloud to fill out a graphic organizer. This week's book is Enemy Pie. You probably heard the book during your read aloud section of your assignments. If you didn't do your read aloud assignment yet, then you must stop this video right now, go do your read aloud, and then come back to the video. Here's our new graphic organizer for opinion writing. What do you notice about our new graphic organizer? You might be thinking, you notice an opinion box. That's right. That's where you're going to tell your opinion about a book. Did you love the book? Do you recommend the book? Or do you not love the book and you don't think people should read the book? Then you're going to support your opinion with two reasons. Reason 1 and reason 2. Each one gets its own box. Now watch how I fill out a graphic organizer for Enemy Pie. The first thing I'm going to have to do is I need to have an opinion sentence starter. Now there's so many different ways that you can start your opinion. Here are some examples. In my opinion, I think, I believe, I feel, I prefer, everyone should, blank is better than blank. The worst thing about blank, the best thing about blank, and my opinion is. I think I'll start with, in my opinion. So now you have to form your opinion. You have two options. Either you can recommend the book to someone and say you should read the book, or you can decide that you don't think it's a good book and you can say you should not read the book. So I think I'm definitely going to recommend this book because I loved it. So I'm going to go with, in my opinion, you should read Enemy Pie. Now remember that orange box? In that orange box, I'm going to write my opinion with my sentence starter. So my box is going to look like this. In my opinion, you should read Enemy Pie. Now I want you to think, what is your opinion of Enemy Pie? Do you recommend it or do you not recommend it? Now that you have your opinion, I want you to think about which sentence starter are you going to use? Whichever one you pick, that's what's going to go in your orange box. Great. There's your orange box. Your opinion goes in the orange box, and you're going to use the opinion sentence starters to start your sentence. Let's move on. Now, what are some reasons people recommend books? Can you think of any? There's lots of reasons. Sometimes people can say the characters are so interesting. The characters are silly. The characters are opposite. Characters play a big role in books, right? Another reason why people might love books is because there's a really important lesson that's learned. Another reason that people recommend books is because the cover grabs your attention. Sometimes you're just walking in the library and a cover grabs your attention and you want to read it because it looks so interesting. Some people might also recommend books because there are lots of detailed illustrations. That reminds me a lot of all my favorite books. Books also are popular because they remind you of someone in your life. There's so many times that I pick up a book and it reminds me of someone that's really close to me. There can be any reason why people recommend books. Some other examples are maybe there's some surprises at the end of the story, or maybe there's more than one problem. There are endless amount of reasons why people love books. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to think of two reasons. Let's think. So I personally love enemy pie, so I'm going to have two reasons to support my opinion. Let me think. Why do I love enemy pie? Oh, I know one reason. When I saw that cover, I was quickly excited to go and read that book because I wanted to learn more. So that's my first reason. The cover makes you interested to learn more. What's my second reason? I need a second reason. Why would I recommend Enemy Pie? Why do I want people to read Enemy Pie? Oh, I know. There's a really interesting ending that I think everyone will love. So I'm going to write that for reason number two. There is a surprise ending that you'll love. Now I want you to think. Remember, you already formed your opinion. You already decided if you're going to recommend the book or if you're not going to recommend the book. Then I want you to think of your two reasons. Why do you think people should read the book or people should not read the book? Take a minute. All right, I hope you have some reasons. So today, friends, your job is going to be to fill out a graphic organizer for Enemy Pie. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to form your opinion. Make sure you use the opinion sentence starter to help you. Then you're going to think of a reason to support your opinion. And number three, you're going to think of another reason to support your opinion. You can show your work two ways. Either you can complete it in a notebook and send it a picture to your teacher, or you can open up the Google document that looks like the one below and type straight into the text boxes. Don't forget to mark as done when you're done. I can't wait to see your work.